In this demo, I will show you how to analyze a brute force attack against the target system. A quick reminder about our lab. We have 3 hosts. The attacker is going to use Kali Linux at 10.0.0.222. The victim machine will be a Windows 7 host at 101. Finally, the penetration tester will use Kali Linux to intercept all the traffic and analyze any attacks on the network. Let's stop talking and see some action. Imagine that you are the attacker and you want to attack one of the hosts on the network that has the telnet service turned on. The first thing a hacker is going to do is to try to brute force the target victim. Alright, let's start the brute force attack, folks. I will use Hydra to conduct this brute force attack. I copied the command from the clipboard to save you some time. The -v option is for maximum verbosity. Then the -l is for the login name, followed by the dictionary password file path. The -t argument selects the number of parallel connections. The greater the number, the faster the testing will occur, followed by the victim IP address, and finally the protocol that I want to brute force. Let's hit enter to start the attack. Let's wait for the password to be cracked. I'm very confident about the results. Ho ho! Check this out. The password has been cracked. So from a hacker perspective, what is the next step? Obviously, the hacker will try to log in using Telnet. First, issue the Telnet command, specify the IP address of the victim's host, enter the login name, followed by the cracked password, 123456. Here we go. The poor victim is hacked. At this moment, the hacker is partying and happy about this victory. Let's jump into the penetration tester machine and analyze this tragic hack. Now I'm logged in at the penetration tester machine. Do you see what happens when the attacker tries a combination of username and passwords that are not authorized? I will make it clear. Let me show you a quick trick to analyze this kind of conversations. Right-click on any packet and select Follow TCP Stream. Check this out. The message saying that no more connections are allowed to Telnet server. Please try again later. This is the typical message that the attacker is receiving over and over again when he fails during the brute force attack. Let's close this, clear the filter. Let's scroll down until we don't see this kind of pattern. Somewhere in here. Let's follow the stream again one more time. Check this out, folks. Username and password in plain text. And we can see the command that the attacker executed. That reminds me that I should show you something that you need to pay attention to. The list that you see in this page is clear text protocols, HTTP, FTP, email protocols, POP3, IMAP, SMTP, Telnet, and Voice over IP. If you found that your client is using one of these protocols, you need to mention that in your final report. A simple solution is to replace these clear text protocols with other secured protocols.